Hey everyone, we are going to paint some trees using watercolor today. I have a lemon yellow base to which I am adding a tree green and just let the colors bloom right now. My watercolor paper already has enough waters, so I'm just letting the colors mix. We'll take a darker green and add it to the center part of the tree. So this is that wet on wet technique again. You already have water on the paper and you're going to add color and just let the water take the color where it may. We'll take some light brown and then start drawing the trunk for the tree. We'll also go upwards and draw short branches for the tree. And don't worry about it being too perfect. You're just going to add the brown color. Let's add a small branch there and finish the tree trunk. We'll go ahead and blend that brown a little bit just so that there's that gradient for the tree, and then pull it down so it has some sort of root structure. And there we go. And there you have it. That's our first tree down. And we'll also go ahead and draw another tree, a different one this time. I'll show you guys a technique on how to draw the treetop. So draw a large bush or just a shrub and just have branches branching off of it, just like I'm drawing here right now using the paint. And imagine that is your tree top and build off of it. So I have lemon yellow again. I'm just going to work off the small leaflets or tiny branches of that bush and just going to blend it and create a treetop. Just adding a lot of water. Just going to blend out that shrub, and then there you have it. That is a basic treetop, and I have tree green. I'm just adding that. Okay, so we have some dark green. Let's add that to the already there water and lemon yellow. Let the colors gently mix. See that blooming effect? You have the previous tree green and now the darker green already mix naturally. So let the color bloom. And now we will go and add the darker green. Actually, that's the darkest green to the center and draw some structure to the tree. So here, as opposed to the first tree, I'm actually going to draw out the trunk and the branches using a dark sap green. Okay, just trying to work that branches and add some definitions. There you go. Adding a bit more color. come back and grab some dark brown, and I'm going to outline that tree trunk structure. So see how it's a much darker brown than the tree before. I'm going to go in and add some details of branches up top. Okay, some of these branches are going to be covered by the tree's leaves, so keep that in mind. So you just have a few branches peeking out. And it's okay if the brown blends, that's okay. This is watercolor, not rocket science. So keep building on what you have. Okay, let's take more water, and now let's pull some color for the tree trunk. Notice how I'm leaving some white space between the color on the paper, just so it has that watercolory effect. It's okay, I'll just blend that into part of the tree. And there you have it. 2 trees down. Now we'll learn to draw some trees together, kind of like a forest or some woods, something like that. So let's start with the yellow base. I have water already on the paper. Let's add a pop of tree green. I'm going to add a little bit of light crimson. Maybe there are some trees with red leaves or brown leaves. Let's try to blend all of that. Adding more yellow. Okay, there are lots of trees. I don't know if you can hear this, but there are birds chirping in the trees outside. Okay, let's add some tree trunks. I'm going in with some light brown and maybe a green over it. Let's pull down the color from the tree tops downwards. Drawing that land there. Maybe some greenery too, so let's go over the brown with green. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it looks like a little forest. And that's our watercolor trees painting finished. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me and picked up a few new techniques. If you try this tutorial, please let me know how it went in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!